In today's fast-paced business world, technology is essential for success. But managing your IT infrastructure can be a daunting task, especially for small and medium-sized businesses. That's where Ma3SP comes in. As a trusted IT managed service provider, we're dedicated to helping businesses like yours streamline your IT operations and reduce costs. Recently, we had the opportunity to demonstrate our value to a client who was facing significant computer repair expenses.
Our computers were constantly breaking down, and it was costing us a lot of time and money. We needed a solution.
We conducted a thorough assessment of your IT infrastructure to identify potential vulnerabilities and areas for improvement. We then implemented a proactive maintenance plan, including regular system updates, software patching, and hardware inspections. By leveraging our expertise and proactive IT management approach, we were able to significantly reduce the client's computer repair costs. Over the course of a year, we saved the client over $13,500 in repair expenses.
MA3SP has been a game changer for our business. Their expertise and personalized service have helped us improve our IT efficiency and reduce our overall costs.
At Ma3SP, we're committed to providing exceptional IT support to businesses of all sizes. If you're looking to streamline your IT operations and reduce costs, contact us today to learn more about how we can help.